This photograph exhibits type 1 distortion, meaning that the camera was not pointed perpendicular to the ruler when the photograph was taken. Type 1 distortion means that measurements and comparisons using this photograph may not be accurate. PhotoDoc can correct type 1 distortion. To correct type 1 distortion, I select the type of ruler used in the photograph, in this case an ABFO number 2, and click Add. I then click and drag to create a computer model of the ruler. I am now going to match points between the ruler and the model of the ruler. I am moving the ruler using the arrow keys on the keyboard, and when I get close, I can push the Control key twice to bring up a magnifier. I will now do the second point. You will get the best results from this tool if the points you select do not line up in straight lines. We can see out here that this circle is out of focus, so I will use a point that is closer and in focus, like that. And I simply need to correct PhotoDoc until it stops making mistakes. Like this. And this. Pretty good match. It turns out that the ABFOs are printed much more precisely than they are cut, so I don't worry as much about the points along the outside edges. Now that I have a model of the ABFO, it is very easy to, using the length tool, click and drag to measure items in the plane of the ruler. Those who have taken trigonometry will recall the 3, 4, 5 right triangle, and we'll see the incredible accuracy that PhotoDoc allows in measuring items in the field. Sometimes, however, we don't want to measure distances as much as we want to compare different photos of the same or different objects. For this, we need to warp the photograph to show the image that we would have obtained had the photograph been properly taken with the camera perpendicular to the ruler. To do this, we click on any of the points that we have previously defined and click Show Ortho View. Sometimes the computer will find a solution like this one that inverts the image, for which we just use the mirror image feature to show us the correct rectified view that we would have seen if we had taken this image correctly with the camera perpendicular to the ruler. Thank you for watching. For more information about PhotoDoc, please visit us on the web at www.photodocumenter.com.